Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into using Airtable to plan and monitor your business growth for 2025. First off, you'll want to create a new base. This is where all your information will be stored. The reason we do this is to keep all our business growth data in one organized, easily accessible place. Next up, create 3 essential tables: goals, strategies, and metrics. In the Goals table, list down your business objectives for 2025. This helps us because it provides a clear direction for our growth plan. Moving on to the Strategies table, outline your plans to achieve these goals. Now, this is critical because it breaks down the bigger goals into actionable steps. The third table, Metrics, is where you'll monitor your progress. Here, you'll input data like sales numbers, customer growth, and other key performance indicators. Let me explain why this matters. Tracking these metrics helps us understand if our strategies are effective and where we need to make adjustments. Now that we've done that, let's talk about linking these tables together. This is done through fields. For example, you can link a strategy to a specific goal. This is important because it creates a visual connection between your objectives, strategies, and results, making it easier to see the bigger picture. Finally, utilize Airtable's Views feature. This allows you to customize how you view your data. For instance, you can use a Kanban view for your strategies table to visualize your workflow. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This creates a visual representation of your business growth plan, making it easier to track and manage. And there you have it. You've just set up your Airtable for effective business growth planning and monitoring. Remember, the key is in the details. The more accurate and consistent your data, the better you can plan, track, and adjust your growth strategies. Until next time, keep growing and innovating.